newly bought set of placemat can practically become useless if it gets stained by oily food, ketchup, or wine spills unless you have no issue with placing stained placemats in front of the guests, or even family members. A wrong purchasing decision may result in that happening, as some placemats can't be cleaned easily.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best washable placemats. So let's get started. Number 5. Solino Home Champagne Beige Linen Placemats. Linen is another name for comfort and reliability. Solino placemats are a simple and elegant foundation for your dinnerware. The specialty of lines is its timelessness. If simplicity is your way of expression, then these home linen placemats are just for you. Flax-based linen has the quality of being bacteria-resistant and moisture-absorbent. These placemats are handcrafted by skilled artisans and are close to perfection with their classic aesthetic look. No matter these placemats go through how many messy eaters, they can be washed in a washing machine to remove all the stains. The long-lasting linen material of this mat gets soft with each wash and needs to be steam ironed for a crisp look on the dining table. Number 4. D2 Variegated Tabletop Collection. The horizontal streak patterned placemats bring classical beauty back in style to the dining area. Different tonal colors are weaved together that end with knots and fringes at either end. The collection includes multiple colored whimsically printed placemats and table runners to grace any occasion. Crafted with 100% pure cotton, D2 placemats have a size 13 by 19 inches and 13 by 23 inches with fringes. The beauty of this cotton placemat is the ease of cleaning. Whenever they get stained, you can throw them in the washing machine, and all the stains will be gone. As a precaution, you shouldn't put them in the washing machine with any other clothing. Other clothing may get fuzz on them. Lay the mats flat in the open air to dry. Number 3. Home Brilliant Pink Placemat Set. If you are looking for a set of fabric placemats that do not catch wrinkles, then synthetic fiber placemats will work best for you. Home Brilliant placemats are made of synthetic linen textured polyester material that can outshine natural linen in terms of non-wrinkling effect. Placemats for everyday use shouldn't have to be boring. The understated style and various tonal choices of these non-wrinkly placemats make them a stylish statement to your dining area. These are machine washable placemats, so you don't have to worry about kids dousing them in juices or guests spilling wine over them. Number 2. SENDAY Placemats. These easy care sets of placemats are crafted with vinyl, one of the most stain-resistant materials for mats. These rectangular-shaped placemats have subtle and fresh earthy tones, and its exemplary woven vinyl textures makes it perfect for any occasion. Now, let's talk about placemats cleaning methods. Since they are stain-resistant placemats, the stain won't get absorbed in the fibers of the material vinyl and can be easily cleaned. You can even use a brush with soapy water to get any tough stains clean. On a regular basis, you can simply wipe it and you are done. However, the placemats made with vinyl can't be washed in a machine. SENDAY Placemats are the perfect combination of the best heat-resistant and washable placemats to protect the table from heat, scratches, and stains. Number 1. Solino Home Linen Placemats. Anything made with linen, be it bed covers, tablecloths, or placemats, gives a luxurious experience. Solino placemats, being made from 100% natural linen, are simple and elegant. You can't go wrong with handcrafted placemats. They have mitered corners, deep hem stitches, and the right amount of detailing that attracts your guest attention. These placemats are available in an array of different colors. The best part is that collection of Solino placemats include coordinated napkins, table runners, and tablecloths to give your dining table a finished and harmonized look. That was our list of the top 5 best washable placemats just for you.